Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. Welcome to my channel English with Iffee. Today's lesson is about the use of other or another. Sometimes we face a little problem how to use these two words. For example, I read another book or I read other book. Other or another यानी another आएगा या other आएगा. These can be little confusing. Let's make it simple. First of all, we discuss about another. Another we use with a singular noun or nouns you can't count. So यानी ये सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ हम यूज़ करते हैं जिनको हम या नाउन्स के साथ जिनको हम काउंट ना कर सकें. लाइक another book, another class, another time or another room, another lesson, and one more another example. And about other जो है हम यूज़ करते हैं विद प्लूरल नाउन्स. प्लूरल नाउन्स के लिए यूज़ करते हैं लाइक अदर बुक्स, अदर क्लासेस, अदर एग्जाम्पल, अदर पीपल, like that. To keep it as a fun, anytime we can use the determiner. For example, every, and, each, the. So for example, like we say every other day, like that other job, or the other time, like that. So these are the examples. Now you should let me know which is correct. This is a task for you. I have another class or I have other class. तो इसका जवाब आपने कमेंट्स में नीचे लिखना है और बताना है कि कौन सा ठीक है. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, like it, press the bell icon, and be in touch with us. All right? Thank you very much.